Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about best electric pressure washer for cars. Some people are okay with washing their car by hand with a bucket of minor soapy water and a soft towel. Some just have time to take it to the car wash after refueling. However, regular external cleaning will keep your car in better condition in the long run, during the winter months and when there is a lot of dust, sand, and pollution. A pressure washer will make cleaning your car quicker, easier, and more affordable. There are many types of pressure washers. So how do you find the right pressure washer? We've compiled this video to find you the best options for different needs and budgets. If you want more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's start with Joe SPX3000 2030 PSI. This is a good starter pressure washer for automotive parts. With this machine, 5 quick-release nozzles with the gun and hose. Whether you're washing paint or working on wheels or tires. It also comes with a detergent bin. The pipe is 20 feet long and the wand length is 34 inches. The weight is 27.6 pounds and the cord is 35 feet long, perfect for most detail work. You get extra brush tips which can be useful for wheel arches and engine bay to keep out mud and dirt. With SPX3000 you will get a maximum PSI of 2030 at 1.76 GPM pressure. At number 2, Worx WG630.2 Hydroshot Pressure Washer. Its brushless motor delivers 50% longer runtime, 25% more power, and 10% longer motor lifetime than brush tools, which enables it portable pressure washer to have excellent performance on powerful cleaning. It comes with 350 psi pressure, Worx high pressure washer. It has 6 times more pressure than the regular garden hose with a nozzle attached. The dirt can be removed much more easily by blasting it away. Moreover, if you want to save water, you can press the Eco button. Meanwhile, the peak pressure can be up to 350 psi. That's enough pressure to remove dirt from your car's surface, better than just a hose. It has 5 spray angles built into the unique interchangeable hose, and you can hook it to your garden hose or simply pull water from a bucket or another open water source like a lake. One great thing about Worx that makes it one of the best car pressure washers is that it comes with a complete set of accessories for washing every part of cars. You get a bottle of soap and accessories, which means you can do nearly all of your laundry just using this tool. Another good choice that uses electrical power in the medium range for pressure is the Karcher K1700. As the name suggests, it makes 1,700 psi, and the Karcher is built around convenience, with large wheels for easy moving around, a removable bucket that doubles as nozzle storage, and a removable half-gallon soapy water tank. The K1700 also has a handy foot operated on /off switch. Although it has only 3 nozzles, these are the 3 most useful: a turbo nozzle for targeted cleaning power, a 15-degree multi-purpose nozzle, and a soap dispenser. While many brands only offer a 1-year warranty, Karcher stands behind its products with a 3-year limited warranty, with a quick return program if you have any problems covered by the warranty. At number 4, WDN PW31 Gas Pressure Washer. If you want a heavy-duty gas-powered washer, so this is a popular option with inspiring user ratings. Its 208cc 4-stroke engine produces 2.5 GPM at 3,100 psi, with a quick change nozzle for the 5 different tips and soap, built-in storage, a soap dispenser, and an onboard soap tank. It has big wheels to roll it almost anywhere in the yard, and a 30-foot hose so you don't have to move it much once you start spraying. It blasts away unwanted filth to bring back the clean and pristine surface hiding underneath. At number 5, Stanley SPX3050 Powerful Pressure Washer. Stanley is a name among the tools that most people know. Its specially designed detergent bottle doubles as a high-pressure foamer to get tough stuff loose or remove deep-down stains. The 2,150 psi rating is pretty good, and there is no problem blowing away layers of dirt from whatever we put under the flash. This is especially great considering the amazingly small size of the Stanley pressure washer. The Stanley sprayer doesn't have a detergent tank, but it does have a snow foam nozzle. This hooks onto the end of the wand and allows you to apply soap to your car. It foams the car very well, although it's irritating because of all the weight it puts on the end of the bar. Overall, we think this is a pretty good system for washing your car. This is suitable for siding, decks, cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, garbage cans, animal cages, and more. Hope you liked this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch furthermore videos. Did we leave off any electric pressure car washer? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.